Eve Belize, welcome back. Today I'm going to be doing a wash and go with the B-Girl Curl Custard, and I'm using AG Cloud on one side along with the custard and Mousse Def on the other side. I have my water in the applicator bottle today instead of the spray bottle.
See me now, why don't you hear me out? Can't you see what we're about? I see you at my door, wanting in, come back for more, but I don't want this anymore. Cause baby, we got issues, yeah. Not gonna make them dictate my life. So baby, if you got issues, yeah, don't you take them out of me. Honey, I think we lost the toe. Watch. Guess I'm not into you that much. So goodbye, my love. Already found someone that I'm thinking of, and I lose myself again to someone who's got the toe. Someone who's got the toe. Let me go, let me out. My time is precious to me, so you just have to do without. Here's something you can think about. You play me good, there's no doubt, but you're the one that's missing out. Cause baby, we got issues, yeah. Not gonna make them dictate my life. So baby, if you got issues, yeah, don't you take them out of me. Honey, I think we lost the toe. Watch. Guess I'm not into you that much. Ooh. So goodbye, my love. Already found someone that I'm thinking of, and I lose myself again to someone who's got the toe. Someone who's got the toe. Cause baby, we got issues, yeah. Not gonna make them dictate my life. So baby, if you got issues, don't you take them out of me. Honey, I think we lost the toe. Watch. Guess I'm not into you that much.
Can't really tell the difference between the two sides. They both have a lot of volume to me. So this is day 2 here. I stretch it with my handheld dryer. Went in on high heat.
Take a break from this world.
Whenever I wear wash and go, I usually stretch my hair. I just really love to have some type of a length to be working with.
Be a lost girl and fly. Take a breath, feel my wings spread, levitate.
I am on day 3 here. As you can see, I have some breeze going on and my hair shrunk up a little bit. It's very hot and humid outside.